What are these subs rated at RMS wise? 1500. Okay. Have you done any kind of clamping tests? See how much power they were getting?
Of those 5Ks, the X2s, we think about 4,000 a day. Prior to 2 ohm model, riding about 6 ohms.
Okay. Oh wow, they're taking some power. Yeah. Oh yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Hey, yes sir, how you doing?
Yeah, I see on YouTube.
Yes sir, thanks for watching. Yeah, man. How you doing? JacobViral. Yes sir, how you doing, man? YouTube video, what's going on, man?
How you doing?
JacobViral.
Alberto.
Okay, so what's your name? What's in here real quick?
8 ground zero hydrogen 12s.
Okay.
12 ground zero 10-inch mids. 8 ground zero 8-inch mids.
Nice.
And 4 other 8-inch mids.
Okay.
4 5Ks, 2 2400s, 2 1200s.
Who built this? Looks good.
I did.
Very
Me,
nice.
my coworker.
Okay. That's some thick glass. You can see through it. I like that design. Did you ever do any testing to see what your width was to know
Yeah,
what?
we swallowed the screw holes.
There we go.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, sir. And it's a 6th order. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you know your tunings on it?
Roughly about 20 and 42.
20 and 42. Okay. Did you do any SPL tests yet?
I dropped down in subs. Actually, in Steve's video, Steve truck a second ago.
Yes.
We had those in here. I couldn't hold the voltage. Small case all too much. So it does like 60.3 on it.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Thank you very much. Wow. This is nice. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Sure. Appreciate the info.
Oh, yeah.
Break the chains with the again, but again, say no. Chains only bring me
Wow. Dude, that's got good bandwidth. Yeah, the high note and the low note, and it's pretty windy overall, so very, very good job. Appreciate the demo, man. What was your name? Al. Al, Jacob. Awesome. Thanks, man. Oh, yeah.